Hello students, today we will discuss the previous JEE main questions of chapter matrices and determinants. And the first one is, if omega is not equal to 1 is the complex cube root of unity and matrix A equal to omega 0 0 omega, then A power 70 is equal to. We know that here they gave A is equal to omega 0 0 omega, that is a diagonal matrix. So if we multiply the diagonal matrix in n number of times, we will get the same matrix. So that's why they gave here A power 70. Here A is equal to omega 0 0 omega. Then now we will find A square. For the first problem, we will find A square. A square equal to omega 0 0 omega and omega 0 0 omega. We will get again omega 0 0 omega. But they asked A power 70. Then we will write omega 0 0 omega, omega 0 0 omega, and so on. Omega 0 0 omega up to 70 times. Then we will get omega power 70 0 0 omega power 70. That means omega 0 0 omega. So omega 0 0 omega is equal to A. So that means the answer is A. And the next, if A equal to minus 4, minus 1, 3, 1, then the determinant of the matrix A power 2016 minus 2 into A power 2015 minus A into 2014 is. So now we will find the determinant value of this A power 2016 minus 2 into A power 2015 minus A into 2014. So now we will find, now I will take this equation and I will common A to the power of 2014 in that. Then A square minus 2A minus 1. Now we will find the value of A square minus 2A minus 1. Now A square. What is A? It gives A is equal to minus 4, minus 1, 3, 1. And now we will find A square. A square equal to minus 4, minus 1, 3, 1 into minus 4, minus 1, 3, 1. Now we will get A square equal to minus 4 into minus 4. 16 minus 3, 4 minus 1, minus 3, minus 12 plus 3 and minus 3 plus 1. Then we will get 16 minus 3, 13, 3, minus 9 and minus 2. So A square. And 2A. 2A means this is A square, and 2A equal to 8 minus 2, 6, 2. So now that is minus 1. That I will take minus 1 as identity matrix. Then now we will get A square minus 2A minus 1. A square minus, that means 13, 3 minus 9 minus 2 minus 2A means 8 minus 2, 6, 2 and minus 1 means identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Here 13, 3 minus 9 minus 2 and minus of minus 8 minus 2, 6, 2, 1, 0, 0, 1. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 minus 1, 20. And 3 plus 4, 5. And next minus 9 minus 6 minus 15. And minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. So that is a square minus 2a minus 1. 25 minus 15 minus 5. Now we will find the determinant of a. So det a is equal to minus 4 into 1 minus 1 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1, that is equal to, what is that a? That a is equal to minus 1. So now they are asking a into a power 2016 minus 2a power 2015 minus a power 2014. Then what is the value of a square minus 2a minus 1? A square minus 2a minus 1 is equal to 25 minus 15 and minus 5. Now substitute here in this. Then we will get 2014. A to the power 2014 into 25 minus 15 minus 5. So what is determinant of a to the, what is the value of det a is equal to minus 1. So now I will substitute here. We know det of minus a, det a whole to the power of that a power n is equal to that a whole to the power of n. So now here I will write a as minus 1. So that means minus 1 whole to the power of 2014. That is, this is the even power, that means 1. So that a whole to the power of 2014 is 1. So here a to the power of 2014 is equal to 1 into a square minus 2a minus 1 is 25 minus 15 minus 5. Then 25 minus 15 and minus 5. But they are asking determinant of the matrix. So now we will find the determinant of 25 minus 15 and minus 5. Now we will get 20 into minus 5. 100 minus 100. Minus into minus plus, 15 5s are 75. So that is equal to minus 25. So what is the value of a power 2016 minus 2a power 2015 and a to the power of 2014 is minus 25. The next problem is the number of values of k for which the system of equations k plus 1 into x plus 8y is equal to 4k, kx plus k plus 3 into y equal to 3k plus 1 has no solutions. In our previous classes, we have a pair of linear equations in two variables. We have no solution and intersection of 2 points and parallel lines. We know that these three are the, like if suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 are two pair of linear equations, then if no solution will come, we will get a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, which is not equal to c1 by c2. So in this way we will write this is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Now for no solution we will write like this. Then what is a1? k plus 1 by k equal to 8 by k plus 3, which is not equal to 4k by 3k minus 1. Now we will cross multiply these two. So k plus 1 into k plus 3 equal to 8k. Then k plus 1 into k plus 3 minus 8k equal to 0. That means we will multiply these two, k square plus 3k plus k plus 4k plus 4 minus 8k is equal to 0. Then I will write this as k square minus 4k plus 4 is equal to 0. So here k square plus 4k plus 3 minus 8k is equal to 0. So k square minus 4k plus 3 is equal to 0. The roots are k square minus 3k minus k plus 3 is equal to 0. Then k minus 3 minus 1. So k is equal to 1 comma 3. Now suppose if we put k is equal to 1 in the first equation, here suppose put k is equal to 1 in this equation, we will get 2x plus 8y is equal to 4. And I will substitute the k equal to 1 in the second equation also. 2x plus 4y equal to, k equal to 1, x plus 4y is equal to 3 minus 1, 2. If we multiply this equation with 2, I will get 2 equations are same. So if 2 equations are same, here if 2 equations are here, no solution is available. Suppose if we take k is equal to 3, I will substitute k is equal to 3 in the first equation. Then we will get 4x plus 8y is equal to 12. And from the second equation, we will get 3x plus 6y is equal to 8. So now we will find these two equations have solutions. So here the number of values of k. So they are asking the value of k. If we substitute the value of 1, here no solution is there. But here if k is equal to 3, we have solutions. That's why I will take k is equal to 3.